Robin, and this is my closet. I'm on my Arizona countdown going back on Saturday, so I have to get all my filming done. So today I have a spiritual box. This is a super fun lifestyle box. I want to say, I'll leave the price below. It comes out to about $35 or $40, but I always get discount codes for like 20 or 30% off, and that's when I buy them. And this is what it looks like. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, you know, there's no words. I so appreciate you. I've met so many friends. I just won like 3 giveaways, and I loved every giveaway. So let's get into the box. So because I'm so far behind, this is the summer box. And Spiritú is a platform for women to shop, connect, and be inspired. Members can feel good knowing that when they subscribe to the box or make a purchase in the shop, they are also helping us support and empower Latina entrepreneurs, creators, and community organizations. So what a great box. Then this is what's inside the box. So we'll put this to the side. Murad and Spiritú. Now, who doesn't love Murad? You get 25% off at murad.com. And it's kind of pricey, so I would definitely take advantage of 25% off. Hopefully they included something in the box. So it comes very nicely wrapped until Robin gets to it, and then it's not so much. This is sourced from Mexico, and it's in support. Oh, look at that pretty card. It's in support of the artisans there. The first thing that I open, and especially if you're a purple lover, is this cute little makeup bag. Very deep inside. This is very festive. And when we go back to Arizona, we go to Mexico a couple times a month. So I have to wear this, or use it, I should say. The next thing in the box, oh, it's by Clinique. It is a liquid eyelining pen. I'll just put that on there. I'm not going to take it out. As I said in some of my previous videos, I'm packing a bag to send back to Arizona, so I don't really want to open anything. Then I see Dove. It's new body wash mousse with argan oil. Oh my God, I can't wait to try this. I have tried some other kind of shower mousses, and they are fantastic. And this is so cold right now. Ow. And it's perfect for shaving. So yes, this is super nice. Not gonna say no to that. The next thing is by Clinique. Oh, it's a Happy Sample perfume spray. I love this scent. I bought it many years ago for my daughter when she was a teenager, and she smelled it and she just kind of, so I kept the bottle. So I don't have it anymore, so I'm so excited that I got a little purse size, and I'm going to put this little purse size in my bag. Okay. And the next thing so feels like a candle. They wrap it very nice. And Daniel Stone and Spiritu with white tea ginger root. Now this is the part where you guys say, oh my gosh, I wish I can smell through the phone. Oh, but look at the top. I won't have time to burn it before we leave, so now my decision is, do I want to keep it here till next year or take it back? I'm gonna take it back. That smells so good. And I think there's one more thing in the box. Oh my gosh. It's like a stone. I don't know what kind of stone. I'll look it up. But look at how beautiful that is. Oh, I'm liking this. Can you put something on it? I wonder if you can put, I don't want to break it, but you can kind of put the candle. You can see this, and it's so smooth. So let's see what I got and how much it retails for. The only thing, I just don't think this was handmade by an artisan. Let's see what we got in here. And this Murad, I have a coupon code for it. So if any of you use the product and want 25% off, let me know. And let's go through everything. The total value of this box is $138.49. And I think I paid $30 for it. And, or did I pay 20? It'll all be below. The Daniel Stone limited edition candle is $45. I'm looking because it says there should be something else in here. I did. The natural Brazilian agate candle holder, so it is a candle holder, is $12. The Clinique liquid eyelining pen is $11. The Little Happy is $5.50. That gorgeous little makeup bag by Malili is $20. The Dove Body Wash Mousse is $5.99. Smack me on the head. I got this box, oh, maybe 3 weeks ago, and we were going away for 4 or 5 days, and I needed to open a new cleanser, and for some reason I saw this in there and I took it out of the box. So yes, old age is sinking in, but as you can tell, I have been using it, and it smells delicious, and it goes on your skin really nice. So I apologize, it was in there. So this so makes this box worth it. I will leave a link, everything, if you want to order it. There might be some coupon codes out there. I'll see if I can find one. I don't make any money off of any of the coupon codes I put out there. I just want you to be able to try it on this box. So thank you for watching and put up with all my senior moments. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.